Hello guys, we're here with almost all the Floga team. Tina just left, but she's here as well. So we have one of the most important updates since Floga's launch, because in the past month we basically rebuilt the app, added new features and made some very long-lasting improvements. So I'm gonna let Matson or Simo, who wants to speak and explain. Matson, okay, yeah. Matson, because he has some of the
things that I can highlight. It's a brand new design. Almost all the screen were redesigned. And there's a big update on that part.
We have to thank this girl here.
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
We brought her from Canada just to do that. Just kidding. Yes, and also Floga Monthly is finally inside the app, yes. Right? And we've got videos.
Video practices.
Practices, yes.
What else, Simo?
What else? Do we want to give a spoil about the future?
I mean, the spoil, well, maybe we wait a little bit.
Okay.
So we have a new feature that is gonna be...
It's gonna be game changer.
Revolutionary.
Really?
Let's say
Really?
No one has ever attempted this.
No spoiler for that.
No spoiler for now.
So you're going to find new redesigned interfaces. As Matson said, video practices. You're gonna find them also in the homepage based on the day. So in the morning, afternoon, and night. And yeah, big update.
Should I show this as well? We also have soon. Okay, with this we can spoil.
Yeah,
we have some accountability. Gamification coming into the app. It's something good that is gonna keep you practicing, okay, and will track your progress, and you're gonna like it. And we also have a mascot, right, guys? So yes, as I was saying, we have a new mascot, and Simo in the editing is gonna make it appear here, so you can also see some of these gamification or like positive habit forming tools we've developed. And yes, so that's it from us now. We're gonna have the release coming when, Mats?
Very soon. The following days, for sure.
The following days.
Yes.
And that's it from us now. We're working extremely fast because Natalia brought us an insane pace. It's basically here like all the team. We're very happy about that. And we're gonna accomplish great things. So we wish you a lovely day and a lovely practice, and we're gonna come back to you with a new update very, very soon. Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao.